The one, the only, Jessica Anderson in here from Anderson Kusher with another fun edition of the Love Court in session. Welcome to you, Jessica. How are you?
Thank you. I'm doing well.
Slightly jet-lagged?
I'm a little jet-lagged from a big trip I just got back from on Monday, and today's Friday, and I'm still jet-lagged.
Yep.
That means you had quite the good time.
Yeah, it does mean that. It also means I'm getting older, and travel is not as easy as it used to be.
Here's the thing. When you travel abroad, it's like going east isn't the problem.
Right.
It's coming back that jacks you up.
Yeah.
For sure.
My daughter slept 21 hours.
God bless her.
Woo!
That sounds like heaven.
Yeah, I mean, she doesn't have a job or anything, but I could have done it too, I guess, but I was jealous.
All right, what do you got in the love court today?
So it's a petty question, but to her credit, she acknowledges that it's petty. So
okay, I love the honesty.
For sure.
yeah. So, dear Jessica, I know this is probably a dumb and petty question, but is there anything I can do about my daughter's stepmom cutting her hair without my consent? My daughter is 9 years old and desperately wants long hair, and every time we get it to a good length, her stepmother chops it off. My daughter was in tears about it when she got home yesterday, and I'm completely annoyed.
Oh,
I know this probably isn't an issue for the judge, obviously, lady, but do you have any practical advice? So I feel bad
That's
for
horrible.
you, Mom. I get it. You're the mom. You want to be in control of your daughter's hair. I get it. I'm a mom. I understand.
Aw.
This is obviously not an issue for a judge. And these are things that come up a lot,
Right.
I've seen these things, talked about a lot in my cases, in addition to things like they don't return the clothes that I buy. And, it goes on and on, all the petty things that you can be mad about.
For sure.
I understand, if your daughter really has strong feelings about her hair and she's communicated that to mom and dad, or stepmom and dad, because obviously stepmom's controlling this, but this is dad's custodial time, right? That stepmom is doing this. A family meeting regarding this issue is probably in order. Keep it calm. You don't have to be angry about it. Maybe what's happening, to play devil's advocate for a minute, is that your 9-year-old daughter won't let stepmom brush her hair.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
And so cutting it short makes it easier for their life.
Okay.
That's happened
But
in
you would
life
think
before.
that you would respect your ex's wishes and your child's wishes.
Yeah, I have a feeling dad's not real involved in this one.
Yeah.
My first thought was the child is 9, right?
Yeah.
Wouldn't she have said, please, don't touch me, or don't touch my hair. I don't want to cut it.
You never know. I'm sure that
The
it's not like an
situation.
abusive situation. I
Right.
doubt she's holding her down and cutting her hair.
Yeah.
I don't think that's it. I think what's happening is stepmom's like, hey, we're going to go get your hair cut. And then stepmom tells the lady or the, hairdresser what to do. And hairdresser is doing what stepmom's saying and
Right.
cutting it short. Little girl has no control and maybe doesn't feel comfortable bringing the issue up to her stepmom. Or maybe little girl actually likes the short hair and it's mom who wants the hair long. And so little girl is just trying to, please her mom by being upset about the haircut.
Right.
But when she comes back home and she's in tears, that's going to be the hardest thing ever.
It is. It's always hard when, you don't know what's going on in your child's life. And they come back to you after spending this whole time away, in a life you're not a part of, right? Because you're not there. It's really difficult. And to navigate these issues, it's not a legal issue. This is more of just a co-parenting issue. They just need to have a talk about it. And if you can't agree,
Imagine that communication.
yeah, if mom,
It's the key.
if stepdad and stepmom, or I'm sorry, if dad and stepmom want the child to have short hair and mom wants her to have long hair, then you're probably going to have come to some sort of compromise, like maybe shoulder length hair,
Right.
why it doesn't have to be all or none, right? So I don't have any great advice for this one other than it's definitely not an issue to bring a motion to
Right.
the court
Your
about.
key is communication.
Don't bother a judge's time with this one, is what you're saying?
Yes, that would be the
Man.
message.
Hey, if you ever have questions inside the love court, we'd love to hear from you. We got a great portal set up on our website, alice965.com. Jessica, you answer every single question you receive.
We do. And if you need to come in for a consultation to talk about something more in depth, you can always call us at 775-823-0049.